Welcome to 6496. Let's go take a look. What we got here is 3 shelves, which are very nice. You got your room phone, but here's the nicer thing, and you just come on in and take a look here. You've got 2 USBs here. You've got 2 regular outlets here, and then over there, you do have an outlet for European if you have an adapter. Now out here, you have a standard fridge. You have your hair dryer and a drawer here, and you have a seat down here. All right. Now, this is a nice room in that you got windows here. These are manual drapes, so there's nothing motorized or anything like that. Now, we're going to take a look outside first. So come on over. We have a large balcony here. Very large balcony. We've got a lounger out here, as well as 2 chairs and a great view. Now over here, we have the bathroom. It's a pretty standard bathroom. You do have a nice glass door here for the shower. And over here, you've got amenities. You've got storage down below. You've got little shelves up in here, along with the mirror right here. And over here, you've got a couple of more shelves. And then the shower itself is decent size, pretty standard for a cruise ship. And then we'll make our way back out. And as you can see, we have a large king-size bed, I believe it is. And the nice thing about this is you also have a couple of USBs down here. Some sitting areas. So now we'll take a look at the closets. And we'll take a look at this first one. And as you can see, we've got some large storage areas here, which is very nice. And on this side, we have the safe, shelving, and then 3 pullouts. And then the second set of closets you have your life jackets down here, ample storage with hangers, and over here we have a lot of storage with hangers as well. And there you have it. We have a nice room for the week. And I think this is just a great cabin for the money. If you're interested in knowing what our embarkation day was like on Carnival Firenze, click on this video here.